What you guys want to bet? It's Adam Jones again. And Johnny. Ten 0630 108. You guys read that is? Read what that it says. 888G. Yeah. Farmington PD are keeping me busy. You gotta keep an eye on them. Thank you for tapping the screen. Thank you for sharing. I'm always prepared, Johnny. This is Main Street. Let's see. Authentic Mexican food family restaurant. Here. Michael's, Staples, Dollar General, Ace Hardware, Kim's Import. We got Baskin Robbins, which is closed now. The Village. Old Furs, sign still there. Main Street. And I think this is Adam Jones again. Corned beef. Did you say 27 earlier? Yeah, even though I got thermals on, it's starting to get cold. What's up, Jones? 2022. This is Farmington, New Mexico, East Main. Minnesota. It's cold. Oh, I thought it was Jones. See, this guy's a little scared of a camera. Thinks the camera's gonna hurt him. He keeps looking over here. They're so scared of a camera or the First Amendment. Thought it was another unit. He called for backup. the way till he got into his car. He took a last glance over here. Chicken shit. See, sometimes the camera helps. I'm not saying it did this time, but good evening.